Hey guys, today we're going to show you why we like to use products from Idatalink Maestro when it comes to doing head units whenever it's available. For one, when you purchase this and it has the vehicle specific harness, it cuts down on your wiring quite a bit because they have harnesses that go in line for Kenwood and Pioneer and other brands. So this makes it a lot faster and cleaner because there's still a lot of wiring we have to do when it comes to backup cameras and other accessories. The biggest thing for me is not only is the wiring cut down, but the integration is really good. So you can see here, it's playing music and it shows it playing on the factory display. So on vehicles that have this, a lot of the times the display would go dead and it was kind of lame. So now we actually have that nice factory integration. We see everything. The other cool thing is we can set up hot buttons over here. So I have, if I push on source and I hold it, I can flip over to gauges, which is really nice. This is really big mainly for vehicles I think that tow, and then I can put up gauges like EGTs, transmission temperature, if it's available. So this is what makes installs a step above when using integration pieces like this, is the amount of communication that we can get from the vehicle.
In the car with my day ones, they're my dogs, yeah, they're my best friends, they're my brothers, yeah, my family.